Hello guys. Welcome back to Writing Practices, your go-to channel for mastering the art of writing letters, essays, and more. Today, we're going to learn how to write a nonprofit organization agreement letter. What is a nonprofit organization agreement letter? A nonprofit organization agreement letter is a formal document used to establish and outline the terms and conditions of a partnership, collaboration, or agreement between a nonprofit organization and another party, such as an individual, business, or another nonprofit. This letter specifies the roles, responsibilities, and expectations of each party involved, ensuring clarity and mutual understanding of the agreed-upon terms. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a nonprofit organization agreement letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the letterhead and contact information. The first thing you notice about this letter is the sender's information at the very top. Green Earth Initiative, address, email, and phone number. This setup creates a professional look and ensures the recipient knows exactly who the letter is from. If you're drafting a formal letter, always include your organization's complete details. This makes follow-up communication easier. Right below, you see the date, January 25, 2025. This is crucial for documenting the timeline of the agreement. Never skip the date, especially for contracts or agreements. It shows when the terms became effective. And then, write the recipient's information. Here, we have the recipient's details. For example, City Youth Empowerment Foundation. Under it, write the office address. Include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Why is this important? It shows that the letter is customized for this specific partnership. When writing, avoid generic salutations. Personalization not only looks professional but also strengthens your relationship with the recipient. For the next, write the subject line. The subject reads, Nonprofit Partnership Agreement. This is like a title. It tells the recipient what the letter is about before they even read the details. A clear subject line helps your letter stand out in a busy inbox and ensures no confusion about its purpose. Once you've done, write the greeting. You can write, Dear City Youth Empowerment Foundation. This greeting is formal yet friendly. Always address your recipient respectfully. If you know the name of the person in charge, include it here. For example, Dear Mr., Mrs., or Miss, followed by their name. In the opening paragraph, here's where the letter sets the tone. It starts with, On behalf of Green Earth Initiative, I am pleased to extend this letter of agreement to formalize our partnership for the upcoming Green Futures Fair, scheduled to take place on April 22, 2025. This sentence does two key things. Introduces the purpose, the partnership agreement. Mentions specifics, the event name and date. When writing an opening, be concise but informative. Highlight the main purpose up front to engage your reader. The paragraph continues. This collaboration aims to engage local youth in environmental conservation efforts and promote sustainable living practices within our community. Here, the writer emphasizes the goal of the partnership. Always include a sentence about the why behind the collaboration. It makes the agreement feel meaningful and mission-driven. In the second paragraph, write all the terms and responsibilities. This section uses a numbered format to outline key points. The first point is purpose of the partnership. The letter explains the partnership's goal, creating an interactive platform for youth. This sets expectations clearly. You can write something like, 1. Purpose of the partnership. The primary purpose of this partnership is to provide an interactive platform for local youth to learn about environmental sustainability, participate in conservation projects, and connect with like-minded individuals and organizations. The second point is responsibilities of Green Earth Initiative. This part details what the sender will handle, logistics, registration, and communication. Notice how each responsibility is broken down. Use bullet points or numbers like this to keep things organized. For example is 2. Responsibilities of Green Earth Initiative. Provide logistical support for the event, including securing the venue, coordinating vendors, and managing day of event operations. Manage registration and attendee communication, ensuring participants are well informed about the event details. Point 3. It is about responsibilities of City Youth Empowerment Foundation. Similarly, the recipient's duties are listed, such as promoting the event and providing speakers. This structure is crucial. It prevents misunderstandings by making roles crystal clear. Always specify who does what in any agreement letter. For example, you can write 3. Responsibilities of City Youth Empowerment Foundation. Promote the event through their channels, including social media, email newsletters, and community outreach. Provide subject matter experts as speakers and workshop leaders, focusing on topics related to youth engagement in environmental initiatives. Point number 4. It is about financial arrangements. Notice how it details the exact financial responsibilities, venue fees, speaker fees, and a cost-sharing arrangement. When writing, be transparent about financial terms to avoid disputes later. And here is how you write it. 4. Financial arrangements. Both organizations agree to share the costs associated with the event. Green Earth Initiative commits to covering venue rental fees, while City Youth Empowerment Foundation will be responsible for speaker fees. Additional costs will be split equally between both parties. Point number 5. Branding and reporting. 2 key agreements are included here. Use of logos and branding. This ensures both parties can promote the event while respecting branding guidelines. Point number 6. Reporting and accountability. Open communication and regular updates are highlighted. A final report is also promised. Including these clauses adds professionalism and accountability to your letter. Here is the example. 6. Reporting and accountability. Both parties agree to maintain open communication and provide regular updates on their respective responsibilities. A final report summarizing the outcomes of the Green Futures Fair will be prepared by Green Earth Initiative. Point number 7 and 8. Duration and termination. This section sets boundaries. This agreement is effective from January 25, 2025, and will remain in effect until May 22, 2025. Dates are vital. They define the scope of the agreement. Also, note the termination clause. Either party may terminate this agreement with 30 days written notice. Such terms protect both parties if things don't go as planned. Always include a termination policy in formal agreements. Point number 9. Amendments and closing. The letter states, any amendments to this agreement must be made in writing and agreed upon by both parties. This ensures clarity. Changes can't be made on a whim. In the third paragraph, the writer wraps up with an encouraging note. We are excited about the potential of our partnership to make a significant impact on engaging local youth in environmental conservation. By signing below, both parties agree to the terms and conditions outlined in this letter. And the last paragraph, end your letter on a positive and collaborative tone. It leaves a lasting impression. You can simply write, "Thank you for your commitment to this important initiative. We look forward to a successful collaboration." And finally, the signatures. The letter concludes with signatures from both parties. Signatures make the agreement official. Always include the names, titles, and organizations of the signatories. And that's it. This is how you draft a professional, clear, and actionable agreement letter. Did you notice how every section served a purpose? Whether it's setting expectations or establishing roles, each paragraph builds a solid foundation for the partnership. Thanks for watching Writing Practices. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, let me know in the comments what kind of letters you'd like us to tackle next. Happy writing!